I first came across Deskera CRM, I was intrigued by the promise, an all-in-one business tool that not only handles your sales and customers, but also ties in with marketing, accounting, and even HR. At first I wondered if it was spreading itself too thin, but after using it, I realized Deskera has some smart tricks up its sleeve. Deskera isn't just a CRM, it's part of a bigger ecosystem that aims to give small and mid-sized businesses everything they need in one platform. Instead of juggling multiple tools for sales, invoices, email campaigns, and customer management, Deskera tries to centralize it all. For teams that don't want to bounce between 5 different subscriptions, that's a compelling offer. The CRM itself focuses on pipeline management, contact organization, and sales automation. But what makes it stand out is how easily it connects with Deskera's other modules, like Books for Accounting and People for HR. This way, you're not just tracking a lead, you're able to follow that customer's entire journey from prospect to purchase to ongoing support. At its core, Deskera CRM gives you customizable sales pipelines, where you can track deals from the first contact to closing. Leads are stored with detailed profiles, emails, activities, deal history, and you can assign them to specific team members. Automations help with follow-ups, reminders, and moving deals between pipeline stages. What really adds value is the integration with marketing tools. You can create and send email campaigns, run landing pages, and even automate lead nurturing workflows without leaving the platform. If a lead clicks on your email and fills out a form, it flows directly into your CRM, ready for your sales team. The mobile app deserves a mention too. Deskera puts a lot of effort into ensuring you can manage pipelines, contacts, and even invoices on the go, which is perfect if you or your team spend time out meeting clients. One of the strongest points of Deskera CRM is simplicity combined with breadth. For small businesses, it's overwhelming to manage multiple disconnected tools, and Deskera's all-in-one approach reduces that friction. The user interface is clean and modern, which makes onboarding easier. Pricing is also competitive. Compared to bigger players, Deskera comes in at a fraction of the cost, especially since you're getting CRM, accounting, and HR capabilities bundled together. For startups and small teams trying to keep costs predictable, this matters a lot. Automation is another highlight. Deskera allows you to set up workflows that save time, whether it's scheduling emails, updating deal stages, or generating invoices. These little efficiencies add up and free your team from repetitive tasks. Now the trade-offs. Deskera may not go as deep in CRM-specific features as some dedicated tools. If you're looking for highly advanced reporting, AI-driven insights, or industry-specific CRM features, you might feel limited. Its integrations outside the Deskera ecosystem are improving, but it still trails behind giants like Salesforce or HubSpot, which connect with hundreds of third-party apps. Scalability could also be a question. Deskera is well-suited for small to mid-sized businesses, but larger enterprises with complex processes might outgrow it quickly. The jack-of-all-trades approach is great for simplicity, but not always for depth. Deskera CRM shines as part of a bigger vision, helping small businesses simplify operations by consolidating multiple tools into one platform. If you're a startup, a growing team, or a business that values having sales, marketing, and finance all under one roof, it's a fantastic choice. But if you're running a larger operation that needs advanced customization and enterprise-level analytics, you may want to look at more specialized CRMs. For me, Deskera CRM feels like a hidden gem for smaller businesses who want an easy, affordable, and integrated solution without the complexity of bigger platforms. But what about you? Do you prefer one all-in-one tool or a stack of specialized apps? Share your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this honest review, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights.